Hey guys, if you're getting some kind of flickering on your Samsung TV screen, then keep watching, as in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this. So the first thing you need to do is just grab your television remote and we're going to press the home button located in the middle here. If you've got a different model of Samsung, then this button might be located elsewhere. But once you've pressed the home button, this is going to bring up the Samsung home screen, and then using the left arrow key, we're just going to come all the way across to settings and select OK. Now you can also get to the settings menu just by pressing the settings button on your remote, and this is going to directly bring up this menu here. So what we're going to do inside of the picture tab, we're just going to use the right arrow key to come across, come down to expert settings and press OK. And the first thing that I'd recommend doing is just adjusting some of the settings inside of here, like your brightness and your contrast, and checking to see if that fixes the issue. Otherwise, what we can do is come all the way down to the bottom, and right at the bottom down here you'll have this option for reset picture, and then we can just come across and select reset. Now if this option is grayed out for you, you just need to make sure you're on the correct TV output. So if you come over to source on your TV remote, you need to make sure we have TV selected here and not HDMI. And then we're going to come back over to the settings window, and this time scroll down and come inside of support, scroll across to software update and press OK. And we're just going to select update now. And this is going to scan your television for any pending updates. And if any updates are found, then it's going to go ahead and install them now for you. As you can see, for my television, no updates are found, so I can just press OK. And it's also a good idea whilst we're in this window to make sure you have auto update turned on here. And that way, as long as you have an internet connection, when there is a pending update, it's just going to go ahead and install that automatically. Now, if you have tried all of these options and you're still getting the flickering screen, then the next thing we're going to do is just come round to the back of your television, and you need to locate any HDMI ports that are currently running from your device. As you can see down here, here's all my HDMI connections. And what you're going to do is just remove any HDMI cables that we currently have running through here, because what could be happening is if you do have a faulty HDMI connection, it could be causing the illusion of this flickering screen. So we're just going to go ahead and remove these and check to see if that fixes the issue. Otherwise, we can go ahead and reinsert these back into the ports. Just make sure they're securely fitted inside of here. Then the very last thing we're going to do is come over to the power cable that runs from your television to your power socket. And we're just going to unplug this from the power like so. Now you need to leave this unplugged for around about 20 to 30 seconds. It's important that we actually unplug this from the power, as this is going to perform what's known as a power cycle. So once you've unplugged this, we're going to come over to the physical television, and you just need to locate the power button on your TV. On my specific model of television, this is located directly underneath the Samsung logo. This power button could also be located on the sides or the back of your television. And once you've found this button, we're just going to hold this down for around about 15 seconds, and this is going to drain any residual power that might be left in the TV. So once you've waited 15 seconds, we're then going to head back over to the power cable, and we're just going to re-plug this back into the socket here. And then finally, we can try powering up our TV and checking to see if that's fixed the flickering screen. And that's it, guys. By following all of the steps in this video, hopefully that's now fixed any flickering issues. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.